Hello, welcome back to the Velvet Lounge, part 2 of our series on getting discounts, free items, and free cash. So continuing, I am going right in with Groupon. Groupon is one of those services that, of course, I've known about for years, but I never used it because I honestly didn't want to be bothered because I thought I had to pay a subscription fee or something, but to sign up for Groupon is 100% free. You pay nothing for the service, but what happens is there are a few limitations. One of which is the Groupon offers are only good for a certain amount of time. Some of them as short as 24 hours. And some of them as long as weeks, but there's a lot of them that are only that are only valid for like a day or two. So if you are going to use the service, what I do, since we finally signed up for it a while ago, is for example, if we're traveling, we know we're going to eat out, or we know we're going to go to a certain place for fuel or whatever. What I will do is simply, while we're planning for the day, look on Groupon to see what the deal is, or if there's an event that we want to go to. And what I will do is then print out my Groupon, or you could just load it to your phone. It's up to you how you want to do that. You can even call it up while you're, at the restaurant or you're at the sporting event or whatever. There are a lot of categories, so I'm not going to go into all of them. And there are hundreds of stores. So there are stores that you know of. Some of them are mom and pop stores. So they go from, I hate to say this, so cliche, but from A to Z. We know someone who has her own hair cutting salon because she mostly does haircuts than styling. And so the dudes will come in there and they simply will show her their phone. She signed up for Groupon, and she's just a small local hair shop that's 3 towns over from where we live. So, it's from the mom and pop places to the major gigantic retailers that participate in Groupon. Before you go out to another restaurant, go on Groupon and see if you are missing out on getting 50% off of your meal. Because that's the thing. A lot of their discounts are huge. They're 50%. So in some cases, you might have to even prepay for for example, if a steakhouse is doing if you buy $100 coupon or Groupon, they will actually discount it 50%, so you only pay $50. If you know that you're about to walk into that restaurant, go ahead and do that, because it's amazing how easy it works and how much the discounts are. Some other things which I'm going to talk about that are not on my computer screen are salvage yards. A lot of people are when you're redoing your house right now, a lot of people are not buying and selling homes, but they still want to do a little fix up. They're not going crazy like they were maybe 10, 15 years ago, trashing kitchens and stuff like that. But what they are doing is, maybe doing a little work here and there, or want to add a little character. Try going to your local, you might not have a local, but there's a salvage yard somewhere near you, or an architectural salvage yard, or maybe even a junkyard. And those dudes and gals will sell you tons of stuff if you buy in bulk. So first of all, don't buy stuff that you don't need. But if you know that you need 4 or 5 different things, make your list, go there. They will help you look for it. They will drive you around in little carts and stuff. They'll help you get it into your vehicle, and they will give you a discount if you buy in bulk. So, and why? Because they are always getting stuff, and they always need to make room for new stuff, and they need to get other stuff out of there. So, all you have to do is ask, and you will receive a discount. Another retailer that we sometimes use for buying like batteries, face masks, gloves, that kind of stuff, is Harbor Freight. But the Harbor Freight also sells tools and all sorts of electronic gadget things and other things. I have no idea what they are. But I'm saying that because I am not electronically or mechanically inclined. So if you work on cars, boats, motorhomes, if you do different things in your house and you know what you're doing, you might want to check them out because they always have free items. So simply buying something, they will give you 1 or 2 things for free. They always have a 20% off coupon, but if you don't use a coupon, you will not get the discount. Also, if you sign up for their mailing list, and this is U.S. Postal Mail, they will mail you a catalog, like a sales. It's not really a sales circular. It really is like a catalog. And in that catalog, there will be hundreds, thousands of items that you can get discounts on, as well as a 20% off coupon, plus coupons for absolutely 100% free items if you make any purchase. So if you need batteries, buy batteries, walk out with a free flashlight. Walk out with a free, tester for your wattage or whatever. Like, they have so many things that they give away. So that's one, and that's actually one that my husband likes a lot because he loves coming home and telling me like, yay, I have my 17th flashlight. And what we do is we donate a lot of that stuff, because we only need so many flashlights, but it feels good to be able to say, here are some brand new flashlights and give them to our local like church charities or either our local hospital charities that actually have thrift shops. Better than giving them to the Salvation Army or to Goodwill, just saying. Another one that we use, and I don't see it up here, which is weird, are eBay bucks. So eBay bucks, you can actually triple up your discount if you use eBay bucks. And the reason why is if you have eBay bucks, you earn them by simply buying things on eBay. That's how you earn them. The second, and I think you do have to sign up for their program. So just double check that. We've had it for years. And then the other thing that you can do is when eBay sends you a coupon or on their website, sometimes they'll have a thing that says 20% off, or I know we actually will receive emails, messages through eBay that will say something like, if you spend $20, we'll give you $5 off or $10 off. I know $15, that was a lot. And the reason I was going to say 15%, because sometimes we'll get those as well. So we're able to use that in conjunction with our eBay bucks. Plus, if you sign up for Honey or Ebates, you will also, as long as you activate the offer, you will also be able to get another discount off of that eBay order. So that's how you can triple hit eBay for a discount. The only thing is, yes, you have to wait until you receive a decent discount coupon or offer from eBay. And your eBay bucks do expire. They don't last forever. So thank you for tuning in for another episode of the Velvet Lounge Discount Edition, Free Stuff Edition. I have the 3rd video on this series coming up, but in the meantime, if you have any suggestions, please leave them down in the comments. Give us a thumbs up, and if you can do anything, subscribe, share our videos. We greatly appreciate it. Thank you, and have a good day.